Hey there, this is Pawan from Pixin Create, and today we're gonna learn to create silhouette effect in Snapseed Mobile in this video. Without any further ado, let's get started. Check the link below the like button to download the images used in this video. Make sure you hit like as well. In silhouette effect, the foreground and the subject must be black. So let's go to black and white by tapping on the tools and then black and white. Select the filter which makes the darker part look dark in this case. Make sure you adjust the filters in order to get the darkest color possible. There exists some whites in the black areas as well. As I said, foreground must be completely black in color or dark. We should fill black by going into curves by tapping on the tools and then curves. Make sure that the RGB is checked. Bring the brighter part that is on the rightmost end all the way to the 0. Now that the entire image is turned black, tap the check button. We are supposed to apply the blacks only to the foreground, right? What should we do? You heard it right, mask. Go to edit stack, view edits. Click on mask to remove the blacks from the unwanted areas. I'm gonna fast forward the process. After applying the mask, tap the check button. Background must be completely white in order to have an uninterrupted beautiful sky. We cannot turn it black because we already have the foreground color which is turned black. Even if we make it black, then the final image would be ruined. You need to keep in mind that whenever you capture an image that have a bright background or you focus on the background lighting, the foreground will always be black or dark. We are supposed to make the background white so that the background image will not contradict with the foreground image. They should always be in opposite colors. We can fill white by going into curves. And bringing the darker part that is on the leftmost end to the uppermost, just like this. Again, the filter applied to the entire image, and we need to apply the mask only to the background. Mask it out. I'm again gonna fast forward the process so that you won't get bored. After applying the mask, tap the check button. I'll be brightening the lights by tapping the selective. Just create a point on the brighter part, then simply move the brightness slider all the way to the right. Now that we are ready to fill the background with a unique image. Go to double exposure to add an image by clicking on tools. I'll select this night sky. It's not at all perfect, so we need to adjust it to our needs. Now the placing of this image looks natural. Change the blending mode to dark or subtract, whichever looks the best. Subtract in our case. I'll add another two images of the moon and the comet as well by going into double exposure. This time we have to select lighten or add as the image is almost white in color. Now that it doesn't look realistic as the subject is filled with stars, we need to remove them by masking it out. Apply the mask just like this. And then tap on the check button. I will be applying one of my favorite vintage filter to make this image look more interesting by selecting the vintage filters in the tools menu. I'll reduce the effectiveness by bringing the style strength to around 8 or 7. And then brightening up by 21, then tap OK. Lastly, select the export button to save the image. I selected the image that had no water, that is no river or no ocean, just to simplify the process. Watch this video that is appearing at the top right corner or check the links in the description to learn to create silhouette effect in Snapseed with the presence of water. This video is raw and unedited with no audio present. Make sure you check it out. If you found this video useful, leave a like and hit that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Also, share this video with your friends and family. Lastly, this is Pawan and you're watching Pixing Create, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, be creative and have fun with learning.